Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your TikTok login problem. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to try to do is simply go ahead and force close your TikTok application and try to reopen it. If that doesn't work, then what you want to do is simply go ahead and clear your cache. In order to do that, simply go ahead and open your settings. Once you've done that, scroll all the way down until you find apps. Finally, scroll again and simply look for TikTok. Once you find TikTok, tap on that and then scroll again and tap on storage. Finally, tap on clear cache and that should go ahead and fix your problem for you. But there might also be other reasons like not having the up-to-date application, and in order to fix it, simply go ahead and open your Play Store and then search for the TikTok application just like that. Once you've done that, simply tap on the TikTok app, and if there is any update available, there is going to be a blue update button that you need to tap on. If none of those solutions helped you, then the final thing you can try to do is going to be uninstalling and then reinstalling the application. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.